Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Vidonn F3. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings and open Bluetooth. If it's not, turn on your Bluetooth and click on your headphones at the device list. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So right here at the right headphone we have multifunctional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light turns into a red. Here we go, we just turn off it. So now we need to turn on it. Press and hold power button again, and we just did it. It entered to pairing mode and now it should be connected. Yeah, here we go. And if this method didn't help you also, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that, and your headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list and tap on it. And we have connection again. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after we remove it from the phone, it enters to pairing mode. So you need to press 5 times while you're in the pairing mode, and this LED light change a color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we should wait, and this LED light change a color, and after that enter to pairing mode. So click on your headphones at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!